Terra and I would like to share some information with you about our next book that we'll be releasing this weekend. It's entitled Quantum Justice: Theories and Theatrics for the Ecozoic Era. And there's a lot in this book. It's a little hard to condense into a nutshell everything that's in this book, but one of the themes, the most important themes, is story. Because it's story that enables all human cooperation. It's our shared stories, our shared myths that allow us to work together, to cooperate, like the myth that a green piece of paper is worth something, or the myth that our science creates an objective framework from which we can view and understand the world, that this is an objective reality. There's these myths that drive all of our human cooperation. And this is important because it's human cooperation that has driven us to the point of ecological collapse. It's human cooperation that drives climate change and creates all of the injustice in our society. And so the first step in understanding the dysfunction of these myths is to place them into the context of a longer story, the context of a coherent cosmology of the universe story. And so we'd like to share a reading from our book.
So here it goes. The first step toward creation of cohesive and whole stories is to find our place within the background of the universe story. We've only recently come to understand that the universe is narrative to the core and that everything exists in the state of becoming something else. Now, this universe as narrative is an entirely different cosmology than the dominant modern paradigm of a strictly mechanical and static universe which merely serves as a background for human action. It's essential that we develop a coherent cosmology, a way of seeing and understanding the universe that reflects its actual nature. The injustice in our society and the impending destruction of global ecosystems stems from our incomplete understanding of the structure and nature of the universe. Acting from our dominant modern paradigm, we believe that we have succeeded in objectively understanding the universe. So in this time of global crisis, we tend to believe that the problem can be blamed on some group of people who just aren't acting in everyone's best interest. The truth is that our claims of objectivity are a subjective fallacy that has severed our participation in the cosmic dance.
This book provides a lens, a way of seeing our place in the universe that is more coherent, perhaps, and that has a lot of implications for our approach toward social and environmental justice. And so if justice is something that resonates with you, we hope that you'll find yourself a copy of our book. It'll be available at Underground Books in Carrollton after this weekend, and we'll have it on our website real soon. And thank you.
Thank you.